Welcome to ItzRafiq. In today's video, I'm going to do some Python programs, which is included in Class 8 Computer Science book. So here we have to find a summation of some patterns. The first pattern is 2 plus 4 plus 6 until n. Suppose if the n value is 9, then we will have to do addition like that way. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus then 8 plus till here. 9 cannot appear because 9 cannot be divided by 2 or the next number is 10. So let's do the program. For that we need a Python interpreter. You can use Python ideally, PyCharm, Jupyter or any interpreter which support Python. So first we will search Python ideally and we'll open it. The UI is similar to like this. Here some messages will be written about Python version and copyrights. You will not write the program in this mode. This mode is known as interpreted mode or intermediate mode. In intermediate mode, we write programs when we have to test a single line of program. But if we write a program which contains more lines or which is a long kind, at that moment we use script mode. To open script mode, we will have to click on File menu and click on New File. Some of the Python interpreter or ideally have instead of new file, new window option, so you can click there as well. After clicking, one blank window will appear, so we will resize the window so that we can see the questions while we are writing the program. So I am resizing the window and here are my questions. The first question, we will have to find the sum of 2 plus 4 plus 6. So let's do it. Now, as we have to do sum, first variable we will take is sum. We'll write SUM. I will suggest you write everything in small letter. Though in your book or though in the question, the N is given as capital. Because variable are case sensitive, while you are giving capital and small together, uh, you may forget and you will keep on writing mixing of capital and smalls and at the end you will get error. So better you write everything in small letters. So sum, it is a variable. Here we will give the value as 0. Then we will go to the next line. For that we will press enter key. Now we will have to take the value of n. For that we will take one more variable. That variable will be n. And we have to take input for the variable. For that we will write n equal. And as we have to convert the variable in, number into integer, means whenever we take input in a Python program stored as a string or a character, we have to convert into a integer. For that we will write function int. Inside int we will write input and inside input we will type a message. You can give either single inverted comma or double. It's up to you. I'm giving you a single. Here we'll write enter the value of n. And after that we'll close the inverted comma. Now you can see in int I have started one bracket, after input I have started one more bracket. So we will close two brackets. Then we will go to the next line again. Now as this is a pattern, the same thing is repeating, just minor changes. So we will use loop here. Loop is used to repeat a similar type of statement for specific number of times. So here we are using for loop. For one more variable we will take, it is I we will use for repetition. For I then one space, then we will write in, again one space, then range, and in bracket we will write the starting value as 1 and stopping value as n plus 1. Why I am writing here n plus 1? Because in Python the stopping number in a loop is always minus 1. So if I give n minus 1, if I am giving the value of n as 10, then it will come out as 10 plus 1, 11, again from there minus 1, finally it will stop 10. That's why I am writing it here n plus 1. And also uh, for increment value or step value we will give as 1, means each time it will go as 1 2 3 this way. Now if we give 1, what we have to write one more line at there, means we have to divide the number by 2 and check. So if we don't want to divide it, then we can do one more thing. We will give the starting number as 2 and step number also is 2. Means the first number will be 2, the second number will be 2 plus 2 4, third number will be 4 plus 2 6. This way it will go on. Then we will put comma. To put comma on your keyboard, press shift and semicolon key together. Put and semicolon key together. Okay. After that press enter. Now you will see your cursor appear little bit right hand side. So don't delete the blank spaces. It is required for loop. Now here we are going to do calculation. So we will write sum equal. Again we will write sum. Then we will give plus symbol. Then we will write I. And we will come out from the loop. Means we will remove the empty space in next line. Here we are going to write the output. So print in bracket we will write within inverted comma the sum is, then comma we will write the name of the variable as sum. Done. After completing the program you will have to save the file. So go to file, save as. You can choose folder where you want to save it. And selecting as desktop and giving the file name as question1 dot py. If you don't give py, still it will work because file type is already selected as Python. So it's done. Now after saving the program we will have to run the program. For that we'll go to run menu. We'll click on run menu and we will click the first option, run module. Here we'll get the output. So asking the value of n, let's give the value as 10 and let's see the answer. The sum is 30. So how it come as 30? So let us do it here how it came. So here number will be added as 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. So if we add all the number together, we'll get the answer as 30. That's why the answer is 30. Now we'll move to the next question. So in Python interpreter, when you complete a program, you can continue the second program in same window, but if you don't want to replace the code, then you can click on file and take a new file for the second question. But if you want to replace the code of the first question, then no problem, you can continue in that window only. You can delete the previous codes. So this is my window for the second code. Here we have to do 10 plus 20 plus 30. Now in first question we are incrementing the number by 2. In second question we have to increment it by 10. So the same thing only, again sum we will define it as 0. Then we will use loop for I in, oh sorry, we have to take the value of n as well. N equal int 10 input, Then within inverted comma enter the value of n. Then bracket 2 time close. Now we'll go to next line and here we'll write for I in range, and here we are going to start the loop. Here we'll start it from 10 and we'll go till n plus 1, and we will stop it, means our step value will be 10 each time. Now in column after that we will calculate the sum, so we'll write sum equal sum plus I. Then we'll come out from the loop, means we'll remove the spaces. We'll go to the margin position and here we will print the answer like the sum is sum. Now you'll see the text whatever comes in green color, that is given by us. It's help the user to instruct how to run the program, and whatever comes in purple color, they are keywords. They are reserved for the interpreter. Now let's run the program. Run module. As I have not saved the file, so it will come directly save window, and I'll select the location as desktop, and now question 2 and save it. So it's done. Enter the value of n. Let it be 52 and the answer is 150. Now let's see how it came as 150. 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50. So if we add up all the numbers, we will get the answer is 150. That's why the sum is 1. Now we will do the third question. X plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 till n. So how we will do it? The code will be similar to this only. I am removing this part. Now here as it is going as x means numbering is not here. So but in power it's going as 1 2 3 4 means x power 1 we are not writing, because if we write any numbers power 1 come, that's a number only. So here x, then x power 2 and so on. Now we will use the loop for I in range. This is for question number 3. Here our starting number will be 1, stopping number will be n plus 1, and step value is 1. Then bracket close, colon. Here we'll write sum equal sum plus, and as it goes like here, one more thing we have to do before taking sum, we have to take the value of x as well. So we will not write directly loop, we will take as x as well. So we'll write x equal the same line. You can copy paste if you know how to copy. Don't know how to copy, then you can write it yourself again the same line. Just here you will write enter the value of x. Then you give a colon sign to look better, but it is not mandatory. Now we are writing the loop for I in range, starting number 1, stopping number n plus 1, step 1, and colon. Here we will write sum equal sum plus, then within bracket we will write x, then power. In Python, to give exponent or power, we use multiply symbol 2 times, right? After that, it is a 1 2, this way it will go on, so we will write I. Okay, and after that we will close the bracket. Done. Without giving bracket also we can write this thing, because much expressions are not there, so x power I. Then we'll come out from the loop and we'll write the print statement. Print, here we'll write the sum is, then sum. It's done. Now we'll execute the program. For that same thing, run module. Here you will see I'm giving the value of n as 3 and value of x as 2. So the answer is 14. Now how 14? See, the x is 2 and n is 3. So at first we'll have this one, uh, 2 power 1, that is we'll get 1 only, then 2 power 2, it is 4, then 2 power 3, it is 8. If we add up all the number, 2 plus 4 plus 8, we'll get the answer is 14. That's why the sum is 14. This calculation I did just to verify the answer if it's correct or not. This part is not required while you are executing the program. So suppose I am executing this program, run module. I will just have to write the value of n. We'll write any number, then we'll press enter key, and for x also we can write any number, then press enter key. So the value of this pattern is 136. Now we will go to solve question number 4. Here you will see after 1 exclamatory sign is there, after 2 also exclamatory sign is there, 3 also. In programming, exclamatory sign means it's a factorial. I think it will be a new word for you. It is called as factorial. Now what does factorial means? In mathematical term, if it is written as 2 and exclamatory, that means factorial of. So how we'll do? It will be like 1 into 2. So the answer is, and factorial of 3, 1 into 2 into 3. So answer is 6. Factorial of 4, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So it will be 1 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, 20. So this way it go on. Okay, means we multiply all the numbers. So here it's asking till n we will go. Suppose it is till 5 we are going. That means we have to do this way. 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 plus 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So we have to add up all these numbers and we have to find out the answer. So let's do the program. We will take a variable sum and we'll initialize as 0. Now we'll take the value of n. For it we'll write n equal int, then input, then the same line enter the value of n, then inverted comma close, bracket 2 time close. We'll go next line, and here we will use a loop for. Here will I use I in range, and starting number is 1, stopping is n plus 1, and step 1. It's done. Now we will use one more loop to find out the fact. Means see, as we are doing the calculation as 1 into 2 these things, so in one line only will be difficult. So we are going to use one more loop here. For here we will write j in range. Okay, for j in range, but before this we have to also define one thing. We'll assume factorial as 1. Now why we are not taking here 0? Because if we take it as 0, then if we multiply any number by 0, we'll get the answer is 0. But if we take 1, if we multiply any number by 1, we'll get the same number. That's why it is 1. For j in range, Here it will be starting number is 1, stopping number is I plus 1. Now see, here first I will be 1, so factorial also will calculate till 1 only. Next time I will be 2, so we will calculate factorial till 2. That's why we are writing here I plus 1. Then step will be 1 as well. Colon. Here we are going to calculate the factorial. So we'll write fact 12. We'll write fact into I. Here we'll calculate the factorial. So we'll come out from this inner for loop. Means inside for loop we write one more for loop, that is also known as nested loop. We'll come out from this loop. Now we entered in the parent for loop. Here we'll calculate the sum. We'll write sum 12 sum plus fact, means we'll add the factorial. Done. Now we will come out from the main for loop as well. Here we'll write the output print, and we'll write the sum is, and the answer is sum. So this program is a bit complicated, or you may not understand easily, because in class 8 level it is a difficult or tricky, but still not that hard. You can practice. So run module. Let the give value of n as 5, and the answer is 3 4 1 3. I think something is wrong. Let's see. This is wrong. Fact into not I, it is j. So let's run again. 5. So answer is 153. Now how it's 153? So let's do it. 1 into, if we do 1 plus, then 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 into 3 plus, then again 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 plus, again 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. If we add up all these numbers, answer is 150. So this way we can do this answer. Now let's do the third one. Here x, then it will be 1 by 1, then again x, 1 by 2 by 2, 3 by 3, till nth term we will have to do it. So first two line will be required only, we are not going to remove it. Again we have to take the value of x, so for that we will write x equal, and we'll copy paste the line. Here we'll write enter the value of x. Now look for x in range, and in bracket we are going to add up the starting number is 1, stopping number is n plus 1, and step is 1. Then we have to do summation here, so we'll write sum equal, we'll write sum plus, and in bracket inside we will write x. Then in x we have exponent like 1 by 1, 2 by 2, like that way. That's why we'll write 2 multiply sign. In Python if we give 2 multiply sign, that means it is an exponent, so 2 time multiply sign. And here we'll write not 1 I by I. At first time I will be 1 only, so 1 by 1. Second time I will be 2, so 2 by 2. So done. Now we'll come out from the loop and we'll display the result. Print, and here we'll write the sum is, and comma. You have to remember one thing, when we put the inverted comma, after the inverted comma only we'll give comma and the variable name. If you write this way, like the sum is comma, then inverted comma close, again we were writing as sum, it will be a, always the variable and consonants will be separated by comma. Remember it. Now let's run the program. Oh sorry, not Python shell. It should be module the value of n, let it be 5, and x 2. So I is not defined. Let's see why it is not defined and how we'll read the mistake. Now you see in red color it's showing file data user some file name. Line number 5, in module name I is not defined. So let's see why it is saying like that. Yes, this is the reason it is said as it is not defined, because I have used it as x here. Actually it should be I. So this way you can correct your mistake. Again run module. Let's give the value of n as 3 and value of x is 2. So the answer is 6.666, something like that. Okay. Now this way you can solve this all the programs by using Python. I hope you have understood the programs. And still, if you have any mistake, any confusion, you can go to comment sections. We'll do it. If you have any more programs that you want me to solve it for you in Python, that also you can write. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.